If your rent went up, your mortgage payment jumped, or your credit card bill suddenly got harder to pay off, there is a very good chance that is because one decision made by people you've never met. And this is how interest rates actually work for you. An interest rate is just the price of borrowing money. That's it. When you take out a loan, you don't just pay back what you borrowed, you pay a little bit extra. That little bit extra is the interest rate. It's what the lender charges you for the privilege of using their money now instead of later. And it works the other way too. When you put money into a savings account, the bank is borrowing from you, so they pay you interest. The higher the rate, the more they pay you for parking your cash with them. Simple so far, but here is where it gets powerful. Every country has a central bank. In the US, it's the Federal Reserve. In Europe, it's the European Central Bank. And these institutions set what's called the base interest rates, the rate at which commercial banks borrow from them. That base rate flows downhill. It influences every mortgage rate, every business loan, every credit card APR in the economy. When the central bank moves that number, everything shifts. So why would they raise it? One word: inflation. When prices are rising too fast, when your groceries and your energy bills and your rent are all climbing, the central bank steps in and raises rates. The logic is pretty straightforward. Higher rates make borrowing more expensive. If loans cost more, people borrow less, they spend less, and businesses invest less. Demand cools down, and when demand drops, prices stop rising as fast as they did before. And here is a video where I break it down. It works like a brake on the economy, but now flip it. When the economy slows down too much, people aren't spending, businesses aren't hiring, and growth in general is stalling. The central bank cuts rates. Cheaper borrowing means more loans, more spending, more investment, money moves faster, the economy heats up again. And that's the balancing act. Too much inflation? Raise rates. Too little growth? Cut them. Central banks are constantly adjusting this dial, trying to keep the economy in a sweet spot, growing but not overheating. And now's here why this matters to you personally. Say you are looking at buying a house. A 1% increase on a 30-year mortgage can add hundreds to your monthly payment and tens of thousands over the life of the loan itself. And that same rate change makes your credit card debt more expensive to carry. Business owners pay more to finance equipment, inventory expansion. Some of them pass that cost on to you through higher prices. Others just stop hiring, and if you're saving, higher rates are actually good news because your savings account earns more. Bonds pay better, there is finally a reward for not spending, and this is why interest rate decisions make headlines. A single move by the central bank triggers a chain reaction, from Wall Street to your local high street. Stock markets react because companies' future profits depend on borrowing costs. Housing market shifts because mortgages get cheaper or more expensive overnight. Job market moves because businesses expand or contract based on how affordable capital is. The key thing to understand is this. Interest rates are not some abstract number that only bankers care about. They are the single most direct connection between central bank policy and your daily life. Every time you hear the central bank raise rates or rates are expected to drop, that's a signal about the cost of your debt, the value of your savings, and the direction of the economy you live in. If you remember one thing from this video, make it this. Interest rates are the price of money. And when the price of money changes, the price of everything else follows. If this made interest rates finally click, please subscribe. There is a lot more things like this coming up. Clear, sharp, no fluff. Drop a comment and tell me, are rates helping you or hurting you right now? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!